In this video, we are going to demonstrate the use of the image list control. So I'm just going to show you how to use it. We place the image list on the form, and as you can see, it places it in the tray at the bottom of the or below the form. So I'm just going to call this image list walking man. Okay. So what an image list is a container that contains images. So it's like an array of images. So you can place images in the image list by clicking on that little arrow and then saying choose images. Then you can click on the form that appears, click on add, and you can then go and select some images. So we've made available to you 6 images called man 1, man 2, and so on. And if we click on open, it adds those images to the image list. Okay. So we can't see anything on the form. So, but I'll show you. We are going to add a picture box just now, and then we're going to transfer the images from the image list to the picture box. I first want us to change the size of the image. This is now in the make sure that the image list control is selected. Then we make the size here 100 by 240. Okay. Now I'm going to place a picture box on the form, and I'm just going to drag it like that. Okay, I'm going to call it PBX Walking Man, and then I am going to create a form load event handler by clicking on the form, and then I am going to say PBX walking man dot image is equal to image list walking man images, and I'm just going to pick one and say 3. Now the images property of the image list is an array of images. The index to the first image in that array is 0. So we'll take the 4th image in the image list and place it in the image property of the picture box. This will happen when the form loads up. So if I run the program, the form's going to load up, the load event is going to execute, and it's going to display the walking man. I just forgot something. I should have set this size mode of the picture box to stretch image. Okay, so I'm going to run it again. Now the picture fits in. Okay, so we've taken one of the pictures from the image list and placed it in the image property of the picture box. So to make this program slightly more interesting, we're going to change it by letting the user give us a number of the picture that should be placed in the picture box. So I'm just going to add a label to give an instruction to the user. Enter a value from 0 to 5. Remember, we have 6 images in the image list, man 1, man 2 up to man 6, and we ask for a value from 0 to 5 because the index to the first value, or to the first image in the image list, is 0. Okay, and then I'm going to numeric up down so that I can control what values the user put in. So I'm going to say NUD number, and I'm going to set the maximum to 5. The minimum is already 0. Okay, and then I'm going to add a button called, just give it the text show and change its name to BTN show. So the idea is now, when the form loads initially, it will still load that 4th picture. Then the user can type a number into the text box and click on show, and that will make another picture appear in the picture box. Okay, so in the show event handler, I'm just going to say index is equal to convert to int 32 numeric up down number dot value. Then I'm going to say picture box walking man dot image is equal to image list walking man images, and then that index that the user provided in brackets, and that will load that particular picture into the picture box. Okay, so if we run the program, the 4th picture comes up. There's now a 0. If I say show, it will change the picture. If I say 6, no, I can't say 6. If I say 5, it will show a different picture. If I say 2, it will show a slightly different picture, and so on. Right. So in the next video, we will do example 5 of this lecture, where we will create a little animation of the man walking.